Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, KITS Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create a pad while drafting its faces and filleting its edges. The main use of creating drafted filleted pads. Uh, this command to speed up your design. For explaining this topic, I'm going to take one simple example. First open CATIA V5 software, choose XY plane, create one simple profile. I'm taking center rectangle and exit from this workbench and choose pad, click OK. This is the simple procedure for creating pads. Okay, after completion of this pad, now I'm choosing this surface. I want to draw one more profile on this surface. Click sketch tool. Once again, I'm taking center rectangle. I drawn one more sketch on this top surface of previous pad tool. Now exit or quit the sketcher and select the profile to be extruded. Now choose click drafted filleted pad. That option is available in pad subtools. Drafted filleted pad. You can also choose insert sketch based features and choose drafted filleted pad. Now the drafted filleted pad definition dialog box appears and the application preview the pad to be created. It shows different options. First one is length. You can enter the length values here. Now I'm entering 40 mm at the length value. The second one is second limit. Selecting a second limit is mandatory. Select, you can see here, this is the pad one. Selecting a second limit, this is a very important point. Select the pad one, that is I'm choosing top face at the second limit. Here one note is that planes can be defined second limits also. Next option is draft angles. Let's go on with the draft definition. Here default it shows 5 degrees. I want to enter 10 degrees at the draft angle value. Drafting faces is optional. If you don't wish to use this capability, just uncheck the angle option. If you want to require, just you can turn on this draft angle. Otherwise, you can uncheck draft angle. Click preview. The next one is here. Next option is neutral element. Check the second limit option to define the neutral element. So, uh, pad 1 top face is also used as neutral element. Already I have selected in second limit in the limit option. Here also I am choosing second limit. It directly takes uh, the top surface of pad 1. Next, the bottom having it shows three fillets. One is lateral radius, second one is first limit radius, third one is second limit radius. Here lateral radius means define the fillets on vertical edges. uh, that means this is the lateral radius. Define the fillets on vertical edges. I have given that is default, the value is 5. You can also change the value here. Next one is first limit radius. First limit radius means define the round corners fillets. That means this is the first limit radius. You can change the radius value by entering the value here. Second one is last one is second limit radius. Second limit radius define the uh, fillets on the edges of second limit. You can uh, change or modify the radius by entering value here. This fillet or edges is optional. If you don't wish to use this capability, just you can uncheck the options. For example, I want to uncheck these two options, first limit and second limit radius, and click preview. uh, Clicking preview appears the pad drafted and the fillets and display them in the specification tree. You can see here edge fillet 1, edge fillet 2 and edge fillet 3. The draft or fillets are then displays as deactivated features. You can see here with the red parameters here, first limit radius and second limit radius deactivated. These two options are shown with red parentheses. Now click OK to create features. Otherwise, you can turn on this first limit radius and second limit radius. If you look at the specification tree, you will note what you have created in the drafted filleted pad definition. That options are shown in the specification tree, that is draft 1, edge fillet 2 and edge fillet 3. These four are created in the specification tree. This now click OK. The new part is created. This is the simple example for drafted filleted. This is the simple procedure to creating drafted filleted pads in CATIA V5 software. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.